Just a quick update on the hydraulic bug. I've just this hour jumped back on him. Got a video coming up on the old 71 Beetle, but I just want to show off the bead road. Mate Carl done all this. Upper front firewall here. I've took off the wooden speaker thingy we had here. That's the wire. So tidying everything up. Also removed the screws. Loads of screws that was holding the interior in, the interior carpet. You can see all the fluff here, look. There's a few holes here and there. Yeah, you just make out right there. But I want to paint it all red oxide so I can show off all the bead row. Same with the back here, clean all that up. You dip there, fix all that. But the bead rolling, superb. I've told Carl this. You know, wire brush all this, sand it all down and paint it to show it all off. Absolutely brilliant. Door shut's lovely. Also, inner wheel arch to give it the strength. That's both sides. And also in behind the front apron. Everything's rock solid, so we get it all rubbed down, painted. That's just a little quick update. As I said, all but finished on the 71 Beetle. Doing a video on that. I'm excited to jump back on this 72. Chrome's just turned up. Got the clips, so that'll be going on. Not took the wings off yet. It says the first time in a week I've jumped back on this one. Just remove that ugly speaker that was mounted here. But we get all the holes filled, rubbed down, and even the floors will be all red oxide. See, they've even screwed down the carpet to the floor instead of the glue. Crazy. Yeah, it's just a quick little video on the bead road. And this car's rock solid, well built, and excited to crack on. So with that, cheers guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next one, as they say. Thank you.